Hey guys, so as promised, I will be making the 100 likes video again, but a little better. It's basically the same video. X, Y. It's supposed to be on the Y axis. So also you can see what I'm doing here. I need to reset switch. 1 second. And 1 second. 4. Alright. Clicking again. EX. It's really early in the morning for me, so I'm probably gonna sound a little weird. Should see. Right. Oops, that was the hide key. Alt H. GX. Alright. Click A. See this first. Subdivide. 768. 3000. You don't want to increase it more because subdivide again and 1200. 12,000. Wow, see, that's what I'm telling you. I'm really messed up in the morning. So we just go Control Z and it's 3000. Please, a lot of people in Discord ask me why it's not working. It's because they didn't assign it a weight. So let's see. Vortex weight paint mode. See, it's supposed to be red like this. If I decrease the weight, it's gonna be. If you don't add any weight, it's gonna be blue like that. Let's Control Z. See, there we go. Object tab. I mean, you don't need to stay in edit mode. We can go to object mode too. I don't have a preferred style. Let's not do watch it today. It's bro, what's up with my voice right now? It just went deep all of a sudden. Oh yeah, also, some people ask me it starts getting smaller. Well, it's supposed to be getting smaller. Like every video I make, it's getting smaller. Oh, the mirror modifier. See this mirror modifier? 1 second. Not the X, but the Z axis. Oops. Well, it's gonna be in the starting, of course. So the mirror modifier, if you want to make it symmetrical, use the mirror modifier. If you want to make it symmetrical, though. But mirror modifier is annoying, so I don't really use it. If you're sculpting, you really need it for sculpture. I don't know why a sculptor would be watching my video. Also, 1 second. I'm missing. Oops. Also, some people said the car is not here and it's not set up here. It's because you have to be here. This place. This, I call it the viewport or something. and still you see it's not glowing, right? First, if you want to make it glow, add the bloom option, and if you want to make the background dark, this is the world. See, world properties, color, extremely dark. So it's pitch black now. Simple. This is not gonna be the final color. Let's spin it more. Oh, I can't spin it more. Yeah, well, I can spin it more. I can do this. Simply form. If you want to add more simply forms, like more twists, you can just add simply form again and again. I once did 14 simply forms. I think it was 14 actually. It was a lot. Let's add one more. It's not gonna break or something. It's getting twisted. Shift D. It's 100. Next. That much, right? Alright, so a lot of people, well, not a lot, 3 people asked why it keeps on changing. So they changed the color and it keeps on changing, both of them. Well, it's because you're in the same material. First, delete this, not delete, take that material out from them and add new material. See, simple. Like Icarus Mask, kinda. Just the original, that's the original. Control Shift D again. Scale it down. So now, delete it all. Well, from that one, of course. Scale it down. Like that. Let's smooth it out actually. Little. Doesn't look that different. Oh, also, one guy asked me, when he moves it, it keeps on changing. Well, it's simple. I don't really care if it moves because I'm gonna be staying at the same spot, 000. But if you wanna move it, apply this. So after you applied it, it's gonna stay the same. It's gonna be solid. Well, I might change it, so I'm just gonna not apply right now. Let's add another. Delete this. New one. So I'm making a game, Maze Lords. That's why I've not been doing a lot of stuff. Well, I've also been real sick. But I think, make that. If I'm not working on the video, I'll probably be playing. If I'm not playing, oh my god, what's wrong with me? If I'm not working on the game, I'll probably be playing some games or doing homework or thinking of an idea for the video. I'm not gonna be saving this. Just to be sure. custom code, of course. And you can add random. Anything other than that, it's not gonna work. Keep doing this. Keep putting this in your muscle memory. Oops. Simplified. 2000 will work. Yes, it will. Ooh, looks better. See? Subdivide. Best. Smooth. Simple different. Alright. Let's decrease this. Oh boy. SX. Control G, GX. S actually scale it up. And delete this, add new one. In essence. If you guys want to replicate like the colors and stuff for all this, I'll go to mine, the original one, and put it in the description. Guys, thank you for your support when I'm just not making any videos. You can just do whatever you like to it. Add more, add less, different color, different amount of what's called again? Threshold. Let me see. Different amount of threshold, whatever it takes to make it look good. View. Just keep on practicing. That's what I did. I practiced every day. Voila. I practiced every day. A lot of people keep on saying I'll probably never get good at it. But just keep on practicing. Alright. Thank you so much for watching this video.